Hello everyone. Lancia unveiled the first hot hatch of its new era, the Ypsilon HF, ahead of its market launch in May 2025. This fully electric model combines 237 horsepower with a redesigned body kit and a sharper chassis setup. They've also confirmed that the HF treatment will be applied to all future Lancia models, including the Gamma crossover and the Delta hatchback. Alongside the road-going EV, Lancia also previewed the ICE-powered Ypsilon Rally 4 HF, marking its much-anticipated return to motorsports. Returning to the sporty Ypsilon, the HF logo with the red elephant is mounted on a new front bumper featuring larger and more angular intakes. The profile showcases wide fender extensions that accentuate the version-specific alloy wheels with a 6-spoke design. Although Lancia didn't provide a glimpse of the tail, we anticipate a similar treatment, possibly including a rear spoiler and a diffuser. The subcompact hatchback is equipped with a single front-mounted electric motor, producing 237 horsepower, 177 kilowatts. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in 5.8 seconds, significantly quicker than the standard EV and mild hybrid variants. The enhanced powertrain is complemented by a lowered suspension and wider tracks, aimed at bolstering its road-holding capabilities. Signaling its much-anticipated return to motorsports, Lancia has unveiled the Ypsilon Rally 4 HF, a new contender for the R4 Rally class. The highlight is the stunning new interpretation of the iconic Martini livery, reminiscent of the championship-winning Lancia 037 and Delta Integral models. Beyond the eye-catching livery, the Rally 4 boasts a functional roof-mounted scoop, a pair of hood vents for improved engine cooling, and a set of white, multi-spoke alloy wheels. It also borrows the aggressive body kit from the Ypsilon HF, completing the motorsport-ready look. Unlike its road-going counterpart, the Rally 4 utilizes a beefed-up version of the turbocharged 1.2-liter three-cylinder gasoline engine, churning out an impressive 209 horsepower, 156 kilowatts of power. A 5-speed gearbox sends power to the front wheels with the help of a limited slip differential for enhanced traction. We can also expect rally-tuned suspension and brakes to maximize performance for its competitive role. Additionally, Lancia unveiled the Lancia Course HF logo, which will be used for its future racing cars. While Lancia hasn't yet announced a specific date for the Ypsilon's rallying debut, we expect to learn more details in the coming months. This highly anticipated return comes from a brand steeped in motorsport history. Lancia holds the record as the most successful brand in rallying, having secured a staggering 15 WRC titles, 3 Constructors and Endurance World Championships, 1 1,000 Miglia victory, 2 Targa Florio wins, and 1 Carrera Panamericana trophy. Friends, I would like to hear your opinion about new Ypsilon HF EV, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.